ऑस्ट्रेलियन दिग्दर्शक फिलिप नॉयस हांचो सत्यजित रे जिणे गौरव पुरस्कारान भोवमान करतले जाल्यार मायकल ग्रेस हांच्या बेटर मॅन सिनेमान इफीचो प्रिमियर जातलो अशें म्हायती आनी प्रसारण मंत्रालयाचे सचिव संजय जाजून इफीच्या कर्टन रेजर पत्रकार परिशदे वेळार सांगले.
55व्या इफीत हेफ आउट कांय नव्या सेक्शनांचो आस्पाव केला. हातून रायझिंग स्टार तशेंच इको कॉन्शियसनेसाचेर आदारीत मिशन लायफ सेक्शन आसतले. तेच बराबर बायल डायरेक्टरांनी दिग्दर्शीत केल्ले 47 सिनेमा हेफ आउट सिनेमा मोग्यांक पळोवपाक मेळटले. तशेंच तरणाट्या चित्रपट निर्मात्यांचे 66 सिनेमाय पळोवपाक मेळटले. इंडियन पॅनोरमात 25 फीचर सिनेमा आणि 20 नॉन फीचर सिनेमा आसतले अशी माहिती आणि प्रसारण मंत्रालयाचे सचिव संजय जाजू हांणी दिली.
IFFI this year is going to open with a very important film which is being premiered in Asia first time, film called Better Men. This is Michael Gracey's powerful portrayal of the life of pop icon Robbie Williams, and I hope all the cinegoers will enjoy it. In the same breath, we are also deeply honored to present the Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award to Phillip Noyce, a renowned Australian filmmaker whose mastery of suspense and storytelling has left an indelible mark on the cinematic world. We are introducing several new curated sections this year, including a section called as Rising Stars, which actually highlights the creativity of emerging directors. Also a section called Mission Life, going with our Prime Minister's call for eco-consciousness. And that's why this is going to be a section which will celebrate eco-conscious filmmakers. At the same time, IFFI this year is proudly showcasing diversity of 47 films by women directors and 66 films by young and debut filmmakers. And this year's film is recognizing the honor and the respect that our country and our culture has for women. And it also understands that this sentiment should extend to all the better persons in the world. That's the women folk in our country, to have similar space, to have similar environment, and that's why we are opening our master classes and our conference section with a tribute to all the women filmmakers and talk about how they have played a major role in shaping our country's cinema. The Indian panorama is going to be featuring 25 feature films, 20 non-feature films, and that again is from all parts of our country, which gives us a good understanding of the rich cultural heritage and diversity. Another important thing that's happening is that IFFI this year is going to be an accessible festival, and Swayam has agreed to be our accessibility partner, and we are ensuring that IFFI this time is completely inclusive for all the cinephiles, with accessibility features like audio descriptions, sign language interpretations, and also all the venues are being made physically accessible.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.